Hey guys, Kyle Kelly.
Paul Spica.
I want to take you through a quick walk through the State of the Union as it pertains to one of our largest partners, Bennington Marine. First and foremost, what's new for the team at Bennington, big picture, is production. Bennington has made a huge investment in production. I think they put $235 million.
In the facility, the operation and the build, the whole thing, they've structured that well. That partnership with Polaris, I think, is really paying off.
It's really been a big investment, and what's been great for us and the value add for our customers, we are seeing boats a heck of a lot faster. We actually have inventory on the ground, so different than what we've had the last
Showroom looks a little different.
Yeah, we actually have boats inside here, something different.
You can look, touch, and feel instead of looking in the magazines.
Yeah, but the last 3 years, instead of saying, hey, you had to wait for 6 to 8 months, we're getting production slots in 6, 8 weeks and actually have field inventory that you guys can drive away, buy away today. And speaking of new stuff.
Well, motors, number one, that's a huge change for us, seeing that naturally aspirated Merc V10 in 400 and 350. Bennington introduced a new model line with the LX Sport, which is a really dressed up boat. It's not at a real high price point compared to like your QX and things like that. So you're getting a lot of those features closer to that, and probably skipping ahead a little bit, but we've brought in a totally different model mix for Kellysport as well.
Absolutely. We probably missed the mark here at Kellysport. So speaking of the Q, beautiful boat, but not everyone that wants a tri-tune wants to spend $150,000 to $250,000 on a boat with a joystick. We've got fantastic boats today sitting here, availability for $65,000.
The SX line, the L, either one of those, you can start it with 65, and then you're probably maxing out around 100 in those lines. They're not underpowered. They're good sized boats, anywhere from on the smallest range that we're doing right now is the 22 or going up to the 25L, 200, 250 power, and they're priced to compete with any value brand out there, but you're getting a Bennington, you're getting Kellysport service both before and after the sale. That's going to be a big addition for Kellysport right there.
Agree 100%. And anything under $100,000, we just didn't touch. We didn't even talk to folks about. So now if you are out there price conscious, and we both have kids, so we're both on a budget, so we appreciate that just as much as the next guy. But
it wasn't like a sense of arrogance. It was just, we thought that was the only, excellent model they were building, and we kind of opened our eyes to that at the dealer show this summer. Ordered 40 plus units,
100%.
And those are coming in for stock right now. They will be there to see, look, touch, and feel, and go through. I think you'd be surprised at the value. If you're shopping used, go ahead and look at a new boat, and 24L, 25 swingback. You can get all kinds of different models in that, but look at them at the show. If you're looking at a boat that's 3 or 4 years old or 5 years old, and it's in that 60 to 100 range, which is pretty typical for a nice manufactured tri-tune, you can buy a new boat with good power and good options and the full warranties and, guaranteed same day service on that. There's a lot of pros to that. So I think we kind of ignored that in the past, and shame on us, but that's not the case. So if you do have a chance, visit us at the Overland Park Boat Sale. We've got all of those models there to take a look at, from the QX down to the S Series. Right there in person.
Yep, and the Overland Park Boat Show, we're coming out there. The manufacturers have loosened things up. We will have some manufacturer rebates to offer at that boat show. So different than the last 3 years we've been talking to you guys, and that's kind of why we want to do this video. No, you're not going to be waiting 6, 8, 10, 12 months for a boat. We can get you boating spring, summer very easily, assuming we don't have something in stock.
The vast majority of those models, what's shared with me from the folks at Bennington, any standard production boat, they are telling us, before Memorial Day, that boat's in the water. Now that's starting, right now or towards that sale event, the end of January. Man, I wouldn't wait on it.
Yeah, jump on it pretty quick. So guys, different than what we've had in the past. We've got inventory. We can get you guys the perfect dream boat of your dreams. And 100%, we're excited about 2023 with one of our best partners. So thank you for everyone watching. Thank you to the team at Bennington Marine. And if you haven't come and visit us at the showroom or the marina location, give us a shout, jump online, or even better yet, come see us at the Overland Park Boat Show. We're going to have the best salesman of the year. Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.